What's up, Sunshine Crafters? Today I got this great gift idea for some of your crafty friends, or maybe you want to add it to your own wish list. It's this cute little suitcase. It's like a suitcase box, and I have added 6 little tools in here that'll be great for crocheting or knitting. So I'll show you what's all in there by just putting one together myself. First, I'm going to add my video link for the yarn tension ring, which is one little item that's going to be in there. Just put that at the bottom, and then another little instructions on how to use the scissors. So we'll just put those at the bottom. Then I'll put some little stuffing on top of that. You can also reuse this for your little crochet amigurumis. First tool I'm going to show you is the retractable tape measure, and these all go to 60 inches. You can pull it out as far as you need, and then just press this button and it goes back. That one right there. Then we have this little retractable scissors, and you're going to push this button out, make sure it's all the way to the end, and then it comes out like that. And then you can use your little scissors to push it back. I close it up and push this back in there. And you can set it right there. Maybe tilt it to the side, it'll fit a little better. Next, we have some stitch markers. These are leverback ring stitch markers, and they're numbered 1 to 0. Well, 1 to 9, and then it has 0, so you can add 10, 20, 30, whatever. So these are going to go right here. Next, we have this little adorable flower-shaped needle threader, and what you'll do is put your needle on there, like through there like this. Then you're going to put your yarn through here, and then pull this out, and then your needle will be threaded. This one is going to go right here. Also included one of my yarn tension rings. These are made out of aluminum wire, so they don't turn your finger green, they don't change colors, and they are nickel free. What you do is you put your ring on this finger here. You can take your yarn and loop it through here, loop it through here, and then it'll create tension for you so you don't have to wrap it around all your fingers. Lastly, we have 2 yarn needles, and I'm just going to set those 2 just right like this. They usually fall down, but that's okay. So it's all in there. We're going to close it up. There we go. And there's your little gift. It's so fun because these wheels actually do turn, and this, you can pull it up like that, like a real suitcase, and just tote it around. So silly, but fun. I actually have 5 different colorways in this, and this is like the light pink one, has multicolored stuff in it. I also have one that has all blue, like a light blue, which is really cute. This one is a yellow suitcase with yellow, light green, and light blue. This one is like hot pink or fuchsia with a white scissors and white stitch markers. And you know I had to have a purple one. Purple's my fave. I did not have a purple scissors or purple stitch markers, so I just added blue in there and then added the blue darning needles.